Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole using a super easy bag method. First, gather your ingredients: 3 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup each of chopped onion and fresh cilantro. You'll also need 1 small jalapeno for a little kick, a fresh lime, and some salt to season it perfectly. This simple approach makes cleanup a breeze and ensures a perfectly mixed dip every time. Now, let's get those ingredients into the bag. Carefully halve and pit your 3 ripe avocados, then scoop all that creamy green flesh right into your large, sealable plastic bag. Next, add your prepped 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, and the finely diced jalapeno. Don't forget to squeeze the juice from 1 whole lime directly over everything for that essential tang. With all your ingredients inside, it's time for the fun part. Carefully seal the bag, making sure to press out as much air as possible before you close it completely. Now, gently mash the contents from the outside of the bag. You can go for a super smooth texture or leave it a bit chunky, depending on your preference. Once mashed, open the bag, add salt to taste, reseal, and give it one last gentle mix. Your delicious, homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer it from the bag into a nice serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a small lime wedge. This easy method means less mess and more time to savor your perfect dip. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.